Jufka patrol in Skofja Loka. Today we're at Garac.
Done.
We're continuing our hunt for the best Jufka in Slovenia. The price here is €5.50, and honestly, that's a treasure these days. You rarely find that anymore.
Oh, this is really cool.
But then I noticed something. They don't have a rotating spit. They grill the meat directly on the grill. At first, I thought I'd be disappointed and would have to take off some points. But then I saw this.
The best thing I've ever seen since long time.
Just look at that perfectly toasted tortilla. I haven't seen anything like it before. And because the meat is grilled, it has its own unique flavor. And I really like that. Price, quality, and taste, all on a high level. And to be honest, this is one of the contenders for the title of the best Jufka in Slovenia because of its uniqueness. My rating for Garac, 9.1.